Hey there, welcome back. In the previous tutorial, we learned about what is Entando, what are components and business capabilities, and the 4 essential C's of the application composition platform. Today, in this tutorial, we'll learn to actually get started with the Entando platform. There are 2 types of installation, automatic and manual installation. In this tutorial, we'll go through the automatic installation. Here's a little flow. We'll first check if we have multipass installed, as that's an important step of our installation process. And then, we'll run a simple command to install our Entando platform. Once that's done, we'll finally log in to our Entando app dashboard. What is multipass? Multipass is a mini cloud on our workstation using native hypervisors of all the supported platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Now, we'll move on to install multipass using this command. If we have it installed, we just check the version using this command. For me, it's installed, so I'll go ahead and just check the version. Perfect. Now, we go ahead and install Entando on our local machine using this command. This is going to take a couple of minutes and then we're done. The sequence of steps performed by the CLI also explains what the CLI does. And by the end of this, we'll be able to see the link to our app printed here on the console. Once we have it, we'll paste it on the address bar of our browser and we'll log in. And that's it. That's our app dashboard. That's all. I hope we were able to understand the entire Entando installation process. In the next video, we'll learn to create, curate, compose, and consume a simple application. Thanks for watching.